Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete Claude AI memory. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Claude AI from here, and after that you need to navigate to your profile picture on the down left corner. You need to click on it and then navigate to the settings button. Now from here you can navigate to capabilities, and now you will see the memory options, generate memory from chat history. It will be turned on by default. So from here you can actually see all the memory that you have saved on your cloud account. After that you can actually turn it off if you want, and you will have two options. You will have the option to reset the memory as see from here and delete everything you have on your cloud memory. Or you can just pause it and Cloud won't be saving more memories anymore, but it won't delete the old memories. So, as you have entered this video, you want to reset everything and you want to delete everything, so you want to click on reset memory. After that, you need to click on reset, and that will wipe everything up and you will have a clean memory in your cloud account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.